Hello, it's your pal Ron here, and I'm back again with the Skydio 2 drone here. And I'm at the beach today. I'm using the beacon in combination with the phone. I've already launched, and you can see the Skydio searching around for me. It's kind of just bobbing all around here. It doesn't have me yet. But as I walk up these stairs here, you can see I'm holding the beacon up with one of my hands. I have like it on a neck strap. So it has one of those little things on the end where you could connect a strap. So it's got me now. It's following me on the beach. Like I said, I'm using a combination of the beacon and the phone. And it's working out pretty good. I've never, I've used the beacon once all by itself before. I didn't really have a lot of luck. And it's not the beacon's fault. I just didn't know what I was doing. But when you're using it in combination with the phone, the beacon acts as like, it can... Skydio 2 could track your beacon via GPS, so it gives it like a backup system if it loses you on the the optical tracking feature, where you push the little plus button over your yourself walking the screen, and it follows you. So here I'm walking up the dunes here. It's sunset. It's what they call golden hour here down at the shore. The lighting's very good here. And this, I haven't applied any LUTs or anything here. Now, I'm in Final Cut Pro, and I use the color wheels to kind of, play with the shadows and the highlights a little bit. But I haven't applied any LUTs or, done any like big color correction to it. Just to balanced out the shadows, highlights, midtones a little bit. Okay, so it's doing a good job of, following me down here to the beach. And when I was up at the top of the dune there, I used the manual features on the phone, but to push me up. But here I'm doing the rocket droney on the beach here, and it won't go up as far as it will when you use the controller. Just using the phone, the beacon limits how far it'll fly above your head. So okay, here I'm back to tracking again. On the phone, you just kind of switch back and forth between those intelligent flight modes and back to the tracking again. So I'm motoring along here on the beach, but you'll be rewarded here in a second. You're going to see that beautiful sunset there over the horizon. Catching those warm golden tone colors of magic hour here. So we're just doing various, following, and now I've taken over control with the phone again. I'm moving it up, and the controls using the controls on the phone by moving your fingers around. It's the drone moves much slower than if you were using the controller. As you can see here, I'm kind of lollygagging along here at a slow pace, but that's as fast as you can go just using the phone. You can, of course, again, as I said, get much more speed with the controller than you can with a combination of the phone and the beacon. But I really like the way that the colors turned out here. I really love the camera on the Skydio 2. It has a lot of image range on it. You catch a lot of detail. So now we're done our testing. We're walking back again to where we started on the other side of the dunes, and actually on the other side of the bulkhead. So got a file in front of me now. You can have a file left, right, back, or front, and then it also has left, center, right, center. So yeah, I think you have what maybe 8 ways it can file you. So I have, I guess I'm on the side now. So, it's just tracking along here, doing a great job, hold me right in there. Moving around quite nicely, adjusting as I'm changing directions, which kind of cool. So I'm almost back here. You can see that sun setting in the distance. It's a great evening here. It was like a warm winter day. So I'm heading back to the car again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch from the beacon and the phone to the controller. So it's just kind of following me back. So, now I have the controller. So we're going to go out for a roll flight now. So sit back, folks, and you enjoy the show. We're going to put a little music in and make this good. So see you in the next one.